If you need to lock your card on Affirm, follow these simple steps to ensure your account's security. Locking your card will prevent any unauthorized transactions. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. Once in the app, look for the card or card settings option in the main menu. Tap on it to access your card management features. Step 3. Select Lock Card option. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Confirm locking action. After selecting the lock card option, you will be prompted to confirm your action. Review the information and confirm that you want to lock your card. Step 5. Check lock status. Once confirmed, check the status of your card to ensure it is locked. You should see a notification or indicator showing that your card is now inactive. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Affirm for added security. If you need to unlock it later, simply follow the same steps and select the unlock option.